Hey guys, welcome back to the North Stand video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you verify your identity on Cash App. So simply, guys, you can do it very easily. So first of all, guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. And after this, guys, you may just open your App Store and in search bar, you may write here Cash App, and you will make sure that you have latest and updated version of Cash App. If you're not latest and updated version, please update your app from here. Then, guys, you will make sure that you are the resident of USA or UK, because if you live outside of these two countries, then you may not be able to verify your identity. If you live in these two countries, then guys, you may open your Cash App and you may log in or sign in, or you may just create your new account, and then guys, you may click here on your profile icon. So click here, guys, and you may scroll it down, and here is the option of verify your identity. So you may click here, and you may click here on personal info. So you may click here, and you may submit all your documents. So click here on continue, and you may write your first name, last name, and your date of birth, and your social security number, and your phone number. And guys, you may verify your identity from here by this method easily. So if you are facing any problem and you're unable to verify your identity, then guys, you may go back in settings, and here is the option of support. So you may click here, and here is the option of chat. So you may click here, and you may contact to Cash App support team and tell them your problem, and Cash App support team will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.